Hello. Today we are going to train your English voice to make comparisons. An example of a comparison is that this toy duck is bigger than this toy duck. I am comparing them, so I make a comparison. Sometimes we want to add words in front of the comparatives to emphasize the difference. So let's have a look at the words that we can use to emphasize comparatives. Much, a lot, far, a bit, a little, slightly. So have a look at sentence 1. It's much colder in the UK than in Thailand. So here we are comparing the weather in the UK to the weather in Thailand. The word than tells us that it is a comparison. But instead of just saying it's colder in the UK than in Thailand, I want to put more emphasis in this sentence. So I use the word much to emphasize that it is colder. Sentence 2. It's a lot colder in the UK than in Thailand. Here I've used the word a lot to emphasize that it is colder. So it is not just colder, it is a lot colder. That sentence has more emphasis. And sentence 3. It's far colder in the UK than in Thailand. So here I am using the word far to emphasize that comparison. Let's have a look at another example. She's a lot more intelligent than him. So here I am using the words a lot to emphasize that she is a lot more intelligent than him. It shows a lot more emphasis in sentences when you use these words. And one last example. My car is much faster than Tom's car. I could say my car is faster than Tom's car, but I want to emphasize the difference. So I used the word much in order to do that. Excellent job with these comparisons. Well done. Goodbye.